Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then run concrete commands. Install kubectl and Helm 3 and make sure your kubeconfig points to the right cluster context. Once done, add a chart repository with Helm repo add and refresh with Helm repo update. You begin with a simple chart search using Helm search repo to find the package you want. Then, pull values with Helm show values to inspect defaults before making edits, so you know what to change and why. You next configure and install the chart, balancing speed and correctness. For complex changes, create a values. YAML and edit images, resources, and service types. For small tweaks, use set. Then run Helm install with a release name and target namespace, adding create namespace if needed. Once installed, make sure to verify with Helm status and kubectl get pods end to confirm pod start. If something is pending, inspect pod events, and the charts templates with Helm template. You finish by managing lifecycle and troubleshooting. For changes, run Helm upgrade install to apply new values safely. If bad results occur, use Helm rollback to revert to a working revision. Make sure to inspect pod logs with kubectl logs and view resource events via kubectl describe to pinpoint failures. Once you understand the issue, adjust values, YAML, and reapply. Remember to track changes with Helm history and Helm get values so you know why a release behaved the way it did. This saves time in future incidents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.